Fantastic Fish by
Fantastic Fish.
Elizabeth Bennet. Read by Mrs. Peterson. Contents. Chapter 1, Meet the Fish. Chapter 2, Fish Skills. Chapter 3, Amazing Fish. Chapter 1, Meet the Fish.
Meet the fish.
What kind of animals are right at home in the water? The answer is fish.
What kind of animal are right at home in the water? The answer is fish.
Fast fact: fish have been around for more than 450 million years.
Fish have been around for more than 450 million years.
What makes a fish a fish? Fish have fins and tails for swimming. They also have gills for getting oxygen from the water so they can breathe. Fish parts: tail, fin, gill cover, eye, mouth, scales.
Fish parts will cover eye, mouth, scale, tail, fin.
Goldfish. Close up. Fish are covered with tiny pieces of hard skin called scales.
Fish are covered with tiny pieces of hard skin called scales. What makes a fish a fish? Fish have fin and tail for swimming. They also have wings for letting oxygen from the water so they can breathe.
Freshwater fish: brook trout, catfish, northern pike, black bass. Different fish live in different places. Some live in rivers, streams, brooks, lakes, and ponds. This kind of water is called freshwater.
Freshwater fish: brook trout, catfish, northern pike, black bass. Different fish live in different places. Some live in rivers, streams, brooks, lakes, and ponds. This kind of water is called freshwater.
Saltwater fish: swordfish, angelfish, clownfish, great white shark. Some fish live in the ocean. This kind of water is called salt water because it contains salt. There are even some fish that can live in both freshwater and saltwater.
Saltwater fish: swordfish, angelfish, clownfish, great white shark. Some fish live in the ocean. This kind of water is called salt water because it contains salt. There are even some fish that can live in both fresh water and salt water.
Chapter 2, Fish Skills. How do fish survive in the water? They use their senses. Most fish have one eye on each side of their heads. This helps them watch out for predators.
Fish skill: how do fish survive in the water? They use their senses. Most fish have one eye on each side of their head. It helps them watch out for predators.
Fast fact: fish sleep with their eyes open. Black moor goldfish.
Fish sleep with their eye open.
Most fish have a good sense of smell. This helps them find food. Different fish eat different things. Some munch on plants, some eat other fish.
Most fish have a good sense of smell. This helps them find food. Different fish eat different things. Some munch on land, some is on the sea.
Fast fact. Sharks can smell a drop of blood that is 1/4 mile away.
Shark can smell a drop of blood that is 1/4 mile away.
Tiger shark. A lizard fish swallows another fish whole. Many fish travel in groups called schools. Why? There is safety in numbers. A little fish in a big group has a better chance of surviving a predator's attack.
Many fish travel in groups called schools. Why? There is safety in number. A little fish in a big group has a better chance of surviving a predator's attack.
Fast fact. Some schools have more than 200,000 fish in them.
Some schools have more than 200,000 fish in them.
Some fish live in warm water. Other fish live in cold water. But guess what? Their bodies stay the same temperature as the water around them.
Some fish live in warm water. Other fish live in cold water. But that's why their bodies stay the same temperature as the water around them.
Fast fact. Nearly 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. There are fish in almost all of this water.
Nearly 3/4 of the it is covered with water. There are fish in almost all of this water.
Earth pie chart. 1/4 equals land. 3/4 equals water. Golden damsels live in warm water. Polar cod live in frigid water. Chapter 3, Amazing Fish. Our fish come in all shapes and sizes. Some are itsy bitsy. This one is about the size of a grain of rice.
Amazing fish. Fish come in all shapes and shine. Some are itsy bitsy. This one is about the size of a grain of rice.
Dwarf goby. A dwarf goby looks like this close up. In real life, it could fit on a penny.
A dwarf goby looks like it's close up. In real life, it could fit on a penny.
Some fish are colossal. This one is more than 50 feet long. Wow!
Some fish are colossal. This one is more than 50 feet long. Wow!
Whale shark. Fast fact. A whale shark can weigh more than 3 elephants.
A whale shark can weigh more than 3 elephants.
Some fish are as flat as pancakes or as round as balls. Some look like snakes or horses. Some even look like dragons.
Some fish are as flat as pancakes or as round as balls. Some look like snake or horse. Some even look like dragons.
Starry flounder, seahorse, pufferfish, electric eel, sea dragon. But all fish have one thing in common. They are fantastic.
But all fish have one thing in common. They are fantastic.
Fast fact. There are more than 30,000 different kinds of fish in the world.
There are more than 30,000 different kinds of fish in the world.